Hello beautiful people, my name's Kristen. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a new box to me, Yoga Club. I do want to talk just a couple minutes just about health and body and just kind of share from my heart kind of where I'm at, and maybe some of y'all can relate. If you don't want to watch that, you just want to see the unboxing, I will try to insert that at least in the description box and you can scroll forward. But I've been pondering a lot because, to be perfectly honest and a little vulnerable, my weight right now is actually higher than what I was 23 years ago when I was 8 months pregnant. And part of me understands that I'm older and things change and it's really not so bad to be that particular number. But I think culturally we're just taught as women to be a certain number or a certain size, or there's just a lot of baggage that kind of comes with that, and it's a lot to kind of process through. And so I've spent a lot of time kind of praying about, thinking about it, meditating on it, and coming to terms. And what I've decided for myself is that really to let the things that are cultural go, the things that are pressure from the outside world that say this is what's beautiful, don't let that be the definition. There are islands that were over in the Polynesian that their standard of beauty was the heavier you were, the more beautiful you were. All their fertility and goddesses and everything was just, they were, the bigger the better. And skinny women were considered not very desirable. But then when TV and internet and the world's values came over there, all of a sudden that was no longer the accepted norm. And all of a sudden there was a lot of body shame and identity crisis that was going on. So that's like an extreme case, but I feel like we deal with that all over the world, like trying to meet others' expectations of what's beautiful. And that's why I always try to encourage us and say, you're beautiful just the way you are. And because we've been blessed with an amazing body that does so many things for us, we need to take care of it. So the real answer, or the real question, I guess I should say for myself, then became, am I healthy? Am I a good fat ratio? Are my inner organs being crowded out by too much weight? That kind of thing. And if I'm perfectly honest, it's borderline. I cannot honestly say that I have been eating my best or exercising my best. I haven't been the worst, but I haven't been the best. And I just want to be gentle with myself, but I've been very much stress eating lately, and I want to recognize that and kind of manage stress in better ways than food, and giving myself some room just to start working back into better eating and preparing healthy snacks ahead of time and just making some better choices. And as I've done that the past month, I have found that I have a little more energy and I feel a lot better just about myself mentally. I feel like, oh, I'm doing something good for myself. And when I say no to the cookies and I go get, the carrot sticks instead, I enjoy that. I feel like I'm, treating myself with honor, and it's just changing your mindset, and so that's what I encourage us to do. Just be the healthiest you and don't worry about the numbers. If I don't go down in size and I don't go down in numbers, I'm okay with that as long as I feel like I'm eating and exercising, doing the best I can. So on that goal, I decided I would splurge and bless myself, if you will, with a month or two at least of Yoga Club and get some new workout clothes, because to be perfectly honest, when I have a new outfit, I work out better. It's probably not the best habit either, and I'll work on that next. I am going to also work on only having things that, bring joy and feed into my life. So Yoga Club had a special where for $59 you got 3 pieces. You had the sports bra, the tank, and the leggings. And so I signed up for it. got my little hot pink yoga box here, and we're gonna open it up together and see if it's worth the $59. Here's the packaging, very beautiful, has all the unwrap, snap and share, all that kind of stuff. Yeah, I joined their Facebook page and I was seeing everybody else's clothes, and the funny thing is it looks like I've gotten the same one that everybody else is sharing, but everybody's been saying how small everything's been running and that things are tight, and I was like, you know, that might not have been the best month for me to start for, you know, trying to overcome a more positive body. So maybe it's not the best for body image. Had to take a quick call. So let's see the outfit here. We have a white tank. There were some people that were using blue tanks because white tanks are going to get dirty when I'm working out. I am not, yeah, and sometimes we actually have, we lay and we'll even slide ourselves on the gym floor. We're pretty intense in our thing. This says it's Ultra Flow CC tank off-white medium, $48. Vi Active, VIE Active. So $48 tank top. It does feel like very soft and wicking and good quality. Not a huge fan of the white, but this bra is very pretty. It doesn't look like it's going to have a ton of support though, but it's kind of navy and it's got this beautiful back. So that's very pretty, and I do like that it's got a lot of material, so we'll see. And then the leggings, these are the ones that they say they're running at least one size, if not two sizes, too small. So I just have to kind of laugh. Let's see what did they send me at least a medium then? They sent me a medium, so we'll see. I'll put it on and we'll see, won't we? Okay, so I neglected to tell you the brands and prices of everything else. The leggings were by Onzi, which is a really good brand. I do have a couple other things that I bought clearance from some other places, and I know that it's a really well-made brand, but obviously it runs a little small. So they retail for $76, so I paid $59. If you want to sign up, I will leave a link for it. I'm not sure I have a referral link, but anyway, this is the tank. It is pretty thin. You can kind of see through it a little, but you're going to be wearing a sports bra underneath, so not too bad. This one isn't going to be supportive enough to run, but it would be to do yoga or Pilates, maybe my metabolic training class. I love the leggings. They're a nice full length, got the cute tie-dye. They come up super high-waisted. My belly button is actually, roll down just a little bit. My belly button's down here. So it does seem, I'm wearing black underwear, so I can definitely see my outline of my underwear because they're just so tight, but I'm not sure if I don't think they're see-through. I feel actually much thinner and sportier when I have an outfit like this on, and I know that overall I am still a small person. But again, we just want to be the healthiest that we can be and just make sure that we are treating our bodies with honor. And I just encourage you to do that. And I do confess that I have a very hyper low metabolism, but a natural high energy level. And I think what that has done for me in my life has made weight control a little easier because my resting heart rate, temperature, body, everything is low, but then I'm high energy and I pull it up, and that burns a lot of calories, and it just works my body in a way that helps me stay thin, as well as I have very thin bone structure. So for my healthy weight and size is going to be different than somebody else's healthy weight and size, and we have to just be honest with all of our own healthy weight and size and accept that. And I'm not going to be the same healthy weight and size that I was 25 years ago. I'm not. And that's okay. And I would much rather be in the place in my life that I'm in right now And I continue to transition my hair natural and just embrace things the way they are and just enjoy life and the fullness of that and the beauty of that, and hopefully maybe inspire or pass that on to other people. So I'm definitely going to get yoga club through my birthday month, which is November. So I think I'm going to get, I think this counted as September's, maybe August. Anyway, we'll get 3 or 4 boxes of this, and then you only need so many workout clothes because you wash them. So anyway, thank you for joining me. I really appreciate it. If you get Yoga Club and got the same one or a different one, or you have another subscription that you recommend, go ahead and list that in the comments below. I appreciate it and hope that you have a super blessed day.